Today I'm out magnet fishing. I'm in the kayak with my brother and a friend. We're gonna float along and drop the magnet. Hopefully come up with something. There's a bald eagle up there in the tree. Not sure if you could see it. I'm next to a pretty busy road. Bobbing the magnet up and down. We're by a bridge here, Susquehanna River. I'm just gonna see if we can't come up with anything. There's been some smaller stuff, but nothing great yet. We'll keep at it. Definitely feels like something. I hope this stays attached. Alright, here we go. A piece of rebar. Alright, well, something. Nail. Bunch of little pieces of iron, well. Getting there. Really got it. Oh, I've been working this out for a while. Here we go. Look at this. Look at all the holes. That's really cool. A lot of holes drilled in it. Right here there's some sort of clam or something, mussel. That's really cool. That's awesome. I'll put it back so this little guy can be at peace. Still out here with my brother. We're only in a couple feet of water. The magnet's hooked onto a massive piece of iron. Not sure what it is. Go in there and check it out. Not sure, but it's not coming up. Going along these shores here, seeing if we can't find any other eyes. Right here, first time pulling it up.
Oh, wow, meat grinder?
I believe so, something along those lines. It does say something right there on the side.
Wow.
I'm not sure. It looks like a meat grinder, something like that. Older style. I'll try to get some pictures of it. Maybe some details. Might be too hard to bring back right now, but that's awesome. Earl spotted this, something white in the water. We'll have to find out what it is. If I can get it. Looks like a piece of old pottery actually, like it's rounded. It's flaking off too. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, there you go. Pretty sharp, not sure what it is. Maybe a piece of old, I don't know how old, but a piece of stove or something. Real quick. I'm not sure what that before.
For a wheel and a rope?
Yeah, something. That's
Like a pulley system type of deal.
It's been in the water for a while. Stones stuck to it pretty well. Not sure what that is, but it's pretty cool though. Finding things. I'm just dragging the magnet along.
What'd you find? Electrical cord.
Eyes only fine.
Yeah, eyes only. Saw it laying in the river.
Here's a piece Earl spotted. I was able to reach down and grab it without tipping over. There's a lot in here. All right, keep looking.
Right in that little hole right there, there's a muskrat den. Little guy keeps hopping out.
Whatever this is, it's massive. I'm gonna try to pull it up without tipping over.
Oh boy. Oh,